Hi, everybody. Dr. Sean Casey here with Healthcare Complete, answering your questions about health concerns, back problems, neck problems, and all the things that pop up we see in our clinic. Had a good question from a patient the other day to ask me, what's the difference between acute and chronic conditions? Which is a great question. So, an acute injury would be something new or a new onset. So, you were working in the backyard and you did some heavy lifting and really strained that back. You slipped, you fell, had a car accident, or basically you think of an acute injury as a new injury, something new that's popped up that you really haven't had in the past, or a new episode of a prior problem. A chronic issue will be something that's been ongoing, that's always there. It's that same spot in my low back, doc, that's been there for years, or that's that shoulder issue I've always had. And of course, the question is, can chiropractic help with acute and chronic issues? And the answer is yes. Even though in chronic cases, we've had an issue that's lasted for a longer period of time. So one of the issues we have is your body will do a fantastic job at dealing with whatever we throw at it. So usually if something's been chronic, that means the body's adapted by creating more and more muscle in the area, shortening the muscle, shortening the ligaments, developing scar tissue, and mechanically you're using something in ways they're not designed to be used. So it's caused this wear and tear and damage. And it's probably going to take a little bit more work to get that corrected, because now it's not just a matter of something that's gone out of alignment and back into alignment. It's gotten used to being out of alignment. So that's what we do so much with rehab in our office, to help not only get those bones and joints back in alignment, but break down that scar tissue, build the muscles up so it stays in position. Because really, when you go to the doctor, the goal is we want to get you feeling better, but we want to make sure it actually stays that way so you can do all the things you want to do. So whether it's a chronic or acute condition, we're happy to help out. And I know there's a lot of specific questions that pop up in this area. So if you do have some questions or concerns about a specific condition you've been fighting, please give us a call, send us a text. We'd be happy to answer your questions. Hope that helps. Have a great day.